How you going, everyone? Hope you all had a lazy Sunday. I didn't make it. But I had a good day. So we got a heap of those. We got all there's 6 of them in total at the moment, of the Dell laptops done. They're all cleaned. I've done a couple of keyboard swaps and a couple of other swaps, and they're all good and up and listed. I obviously only list them one at a time, and then I just use the same listing to sell through heaps of them. I've listed them for $350 each, and I should get $3 to $350, so they should be pretty popular. Most people like Dells, and they're a good model. They're a 11th gen, 8 gig, 250 hard drive, 14 inch. And they're a nice unit, they're a massive corporate unit, like place I used to work at. We used to get thousands of them every year. So they're a very desired unit. But the only thing, they've got a few dents and scratches on them, so a couple of them I'll have to sell cheap. I'll probably only get, $250, $300. But because they're 11th gen, you can kind of get that little bit extra. So I'll win on those. And then we got all the iPads listed. I've done just a bulk listing. So I had a listing there already for a 2nd gen. So I just updated that. All I've done, I've just listed the 1st and the 2nd gen. And then when people message me and say, hey, have you got anything better? Because I've only got 2 and 3 of the other model. I've got 2 and 2. One of them I've got 3. Might be the 7s I've got 3 of. So I'll do some upselling through that. So when they message me, say, hey, will these do blah, blah, blah? I'll say no, but I do have these. So for an extra, whatever. And so, so I've got 2 5th gens, 2 6 gens, 2 7 gens. Sorry, 3 7 gens and 2 pros, I believe. So, but it doesn't matter. So at the end of the day, even once I burn through the other ones, I can list the other ones afterwards. But it's, as far as I'm concerned, they're listed. So now it's just a waiting game on getting some people come through and buy them all. And then what else did I do today? I had a bit of a lazy day today. We went out shopping. And then I dropped off that Asus, so that's up there too. So I'll go through the numbers. So 19,393. We've got day 9, 80,607 remaining. 76 units in total at a 255 average. That's come down because I think that was 332 yesterday. Obviously, because of the the iPads, which are a lot cheaper, it's going to drag that price down. Sold the gaming laptop, and on top of that, the ones I didn't put in yesterday for the phone. So that gives me a total of 6,520 over 22 sales at 296 average sale price. So we're keeping on, and that's not bad. So that's, this is 10 days. It's not even 10 days, it's 9 days of sales. So that's not bad. So my goal for this time next week for another 7 days is I really want to clock probably the 15 grand, another 10, probably another 10 grand, 10 to 15. So maybe even hit the 20 if we have a good run, but I don't think we'll have that good a run. It's the wrong time of year. We're out of the school season, so I don't think we'll see that big of a run. But look, all we can do is try. And then, so Dells are done, iPads are done. So the next I'm going to hit up is, which ones do I hit up next? I might go to the HPs, because there's actually some nice HPs down there. So there's probably about 20 or so HPs down there. So I think I'll hit those up next. And then, might even be more, might even be 30 HPs down there. There's a lot down there. So I might hit those up next, see how we go on those, and then we'll go from there. So hopefully have a big week. Trying to think of what else there was. And then, what else was there? Something else I wanted to talk about? No, that's it. I think we're going all right. I haven't done the numbers on it. So 19,393 divided by 9, 21,54. So we're actually coming up on the average, which is good. So hopefully, if we can get that average going, which once again, I've spent a lot of time on those iPads and those Dells, which were all pretty bad. So we should be able to bring the numbers up even better on the next run. So yeah, and then I've also got that other deal that I'm doing that hopefully will come off this week. If that comes off this week, then that could be that's gonna put a big lump into that. So we'll just see. We'll see what happens. I'm not till it happens. The stuff I'm trying to get for it is so hard to find. So I'm trying to find it, and there's another thing I've got to price up as well. That could be worth good money. That might be another like $2,000 I might be able to throw into the listings, and that's just one device. So I'll see if I'm going to check it and make sure that it's not locked or anything. It's a commercial product, so it's got to make sure it hasn't got any locks. But if it hasn't, then yeah, that could be some good money. And I might even do a phone around on that one, sell it outside of everywhere else, because it's so exclusive. I might find someone that actually really wants it. So yeah, without me having to list it. So all right, I'm going to let you all go. Have a great afternoon, great morning, night, all the other stuff, and I will see you tomorrow for another one. Till next time, bye.